Burglary suspect shot down in the middle of an apartment complex. Good afternoon, I'm Summer Knowles.
And I'm Jesse Pagan. We broke the story on West 2 News Sunrise as Orlando police rushed to the complex. And in the last 90 minutes, we've learned more about the person police say shot the suspect. This all happened at the Summergate Apartments. That's on Cypress Woods Drive, just south of Conroy Road. West 2's Justin Shecker has been there all day. Justin, what have you learned about the shooter to this point?
Jesse and Summer, good afternoon to you both. An Orange County Corrections spokesperson tells us the shooter was an off-duty correctional officer. Orlando police say that person remained at the crime scene behind this fence in this apartment complex. No arrest has been made as the OPD investigation continues. A tow truck removed this car with a shattered driver's side window from the scene of the deadly shooting early Thursday morning in Orlando. Daniel Kobe and Reyes lives nearby.
Yeah, it's been a known issue that there's been car prowlers around this area. It's happened to me. One of the neighbors I know got broken into, got their window broken and their purse stolen out.
Officers responded to the Summergate apartment complex after 5:15 a.m. Crime scene investigators spent several hours collecting evidence from the parking lot where police say someone shot and killed a man during a car burglary.
I believe in the Second Amendment. I believe in self-defense, so as long as he felt threatened.
As Orlando police determine whether the off-duty Orange County correctional officer's use of deadly force was justified, West 2 News spoke with criminal defense attorney Jose Rivas about the state's Stand Your Ground law, which hinges on the presumption of fear of death or great bodily harm.
The general rule of thumb is you cannot use deadly force to protect property. But in this particular case, we don't know whether the shooter was inside or outside the vehicle, but if somebody is outside and they're not in fear and the danger of death or great bodily harm is not imminent, in other words, he could pick up the phone and call 911 and he's seeing somebody in their driveway, somebody within a distance where he's not in fear or of harm or great bodily harm, he could call 911. That's property, that's not great bodily harm.
And police haven't provided any details about the encounter between the shooter and that suspected car burglar. We don't yet know whether the suspected burglar was armed. Again, at this time, the shooter isn't facing any criminal charges.